blueberry muffin recipe from a couple hundred years ago. Okay, maybe 90. Straightforward recipe. Start with 2 cups of flour. You need a little bowl with 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you're thinking 3 teaspoons is 1 tablespoon, you're right. You also need 3/4 cups milk, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of shortening, melted, and then 1 cup of berries. We'll have a small bowl and a big bowl. Put the dry ingredients in the big bowl. Whisk those together so they're fully integrated. And beat the eggs, add the milk, add the shortening, and then we add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. And I think the biggest difference between making this recipe now as it would have been 90 years ago is where the blueberries come from. If you can buy locally sourced berries, those will be always be your best option, I suppose, as far as taste and value. My blueberries are frozen from the big box store, so they probably are a product of Peru or someplace in South America. Make sure all you mix together the batter, get all the flour wet, and then we'll add the berries. And then we dish the batter into the muffin tins and throw them in the oven and bake them for 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees. And the whole point of I think the original recipe called for a spoonful of batter in each tin. You want them to be evenly filled so they cook evenly. Suppose smaller portioning will give you more muffins. Obviously, I ended up with 14 muffins at the end of my little exercise here. Here, that's after they came right out of the oven. You can see you can still see the heat coming off there if you look closely. They taste kind of biscuity. If you want the recipe to be sweeter, you could add more sugar. More like a cupcake, then you'd have more sugar and more shortening. But they came out nice.